To thine own self be true. Shakespeare had it right hundreds of years ago. It's impossible to feel fulfilled when you're only going through the motions and trying to be something you're not. Happiness lies in the authenticity of being yourself. Why? If you're playing a part, it's because you're not only afraid of not being accepted, but also because you haven't accepted yourself. Authenticity starts with you, letting go, and loving yourself for who you are. It's when you find the confidence to truly embrace you, warts and all, that you start to find the truest and greatest fulfillment you'll ever find in your life. If you find you're struggling with this, then it's time to do some work. Find the things you love best about yourself and embrace them. Work to change the things you don't through building healthy habits. Most of all, pay attention to the self-talk. The story you're telling yourself might not be in your voice, but something you carry with you from the past. You're going to love the new, more authentic you.